Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants and January 2021 monthly forecast. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just follow your ascendant sign, keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. Today I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants and January 2021 monthly forecast. Aquarius, first of all, I'm going to talk about dynamics position. Jupiter Saturn conjunction is in your 12th house this whole month. Jupiter goes to combust, Saturn goes to compust. Saturn goes to compass from 8th of Jan to 9th of Feb 2021, and Jupiter goes to compass from 17th Jan 2021 to mid of the Feb 2021. Sun is also entering your 12th house from 15th Jan, 14th Jan or 15th Jan 2021 till mid of the Feb 2021. Sun transit in your 12th house. Mercury enter in your 12th house from 5th of Jan 2021 to 25th of Jan 2021. Venus enter in your Sagittarius sign from 4th Jan 2021 to 28th of Jan 2021. So this is all your dynamics in the month of Jan 2021. Aquarius, you need to be careful while spending your money. Aquarius, you need to be careful about your health. Aquarius, you need to be careful about health of your father or grandfather in your family. Aquarius, don't sign any new document in the month of Jan 2021. Pay your taxes on time, pay your bill on time. Don't be a part of any litigation or arguments. Try to keep your mouth mum and perform your best. Otherwise, you will be a part of any litigation or problem in the month of January 2021. This is not very productive month for you. Your expenditures will be sky high. You are not feeling comfortable. Your savings and your unexpected expenditures will be unbalanced. You are not happy from your savings. You are trying to do your best at your workplace, but your efforts are not going on the right direction because Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Sun transit 4 planet in your 12th house. Don't put your money in investments. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't invest your money in stock market or real estate. Otherwise, you will be suffered. Aquarius, you need to take care of your health. Stomach related trouble, backbone related trouble will irritate you. Knees related pain will irritate you in the month of Jan 2021. Aquarius, this whole month will give you a lot of stress, mental instability, mental thoughts are negative and you are thinking very negative. Try to put your efforts, perform your best, but you need to chant Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before you sleep 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. More you chant this Chalisa, more you achieve good things in your life and feel much relaxed and positive energy. Your money will spend on hospitalization. Any of your family member, they may admit at a hospital due to some reason. Your money is spent on the hospitalization. Your money goes to waste. You know, I'm telling you again and again. Aquarius, January month आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा केयरफुल होकर चलने की ज़रूरत है. किसी पे ट्रस्ट ना करें, किसी को अपना पैसा उधारी ना दें, वापस नहीं मिलेगा. आपके घर का कोई मेंबर हॉस्पिटलाइज हो सकता है जिस पे पैसा लग सकता है, आपका पैसा ख़राब हो सकता है. कोई गवर्नमेंट से छेड़खानी ना करें, अपने टैक्सेस टाइम पे करें, अपनी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स टाइम पे करें. अदरवाइज़ आप सफ़र करेंगे मेंटली भी और फाइनेंशियली भी. अनएक्सपेक्टेड एक्सपेंडिचर्स आपको परेशान करेंगे. यू आर फीलिंग नॉट हैप्पी, यू आर फीलिंग नॉट वेल. डोंट इन्वेस्ट योर मनी एनीवेयर. स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा ना लगाएं, किसी किस्म का रियल एस्टेट में पैसा ना लगाएं, किसी को अपना पैसा ना दें. अदरवाइज यू विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ एनी लिटिगेशन और प्रॉब्लम. एक्वेरियस, यू नीड टू परफॉर्म योर बेस्ट. यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर फादर एंड ग्रैंडफादर हेल्थ इन द मंथ ऑफ Jan 2021. अपने पिता की, अपने दादाजी की, अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रख के चलें जनवरी 2021 में. अदरवाइज़ आपको कुछ दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ेगा. नीज़ रिलेटेड ट्रबल, बैक बोन, स्टमक रिलेटेड ट्रबल आपको इरिटेट कर सकती है. अपना यूरिन टेस्ट ज़रूर करवाएं जनवरी मंथ में. चेक करवाते रहें. इवन मैं तो बोलूँगा सारा साल 2021 में यू नीड टू चेक योर हेल्थ आफ्टर 1 month और आफ्टर 2 months. यू नीड टू चेक योर ब्लड टेस्ट और यूरिन टेस्ट टाइमली. In the month of Jan 2021, if you are investing your money in stock market, you are not going to get fruitful result. You are not feeling comfortable from the returns which you are expected from your investment. I'm telling you again and again, don't invest your money in stock market. Don't put your fund at stock market. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. किसी किस्म का पैसा इन्वेस्ट ना करें, ना स्टॉक मार्केट में, ना रियल एस्टेट में। किसी को पैसा उधारी ना दें, टाइम पे नहीं मिलेगा। अपनी हेल्थ का, अपने पिता की हेल्थ का, अपने दादाजी की हेल्थ का ध्यान रखें। पिता से ब्लेसिंग्स लेते रहें। घर के फैमिली मेम्बर में जो बुज़ुर्ग हैं उनकी सेहत का ध्यान रख के चलें। किसी के साथ मतलब कि किसी के साथ भी आप इज़्ज़त से पेश आएँ सबके साथ। ऐसा ना हो कि आप कुछ डिसरिस्पेक्ट किसी को शो करें और आपका कोई लड़ाई झगड़े में आप इन्वॉल्व हो जाएं। यू आर नॉट फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल। There is you may get some chances of long distance journey, but you are not this is not very productive time. If you are settled in foreign land, if you are trying to get PR or work permit, then month of Jan 2021 will give you a lot of fruitful results. There is no doubt, because 4th planet is in your 12th house. Your ascendant lord transit in your 12th house. Your 11th lord is in 12th house. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, then January 2020 will give you the right direction. You may meet someone, a new agent or any new person who will help you to settle in foreign land. You may get PR if you are already applied. You may get work permit if you are already put your effort on that direction. Aquarius, this time will bring a lot of up and down. Only foreign related transactions will make you happy. If you're willing to settle in foreign land, if you're willing to do anything in foreign land, you will get success. And there is a strong chances for your partnership in far away place, because 4 planet transit in your 12th house. Your ascendant slot transit in whole year 2021 in your 12th house. Some foreign partners will make you happy. You will get a lot of money. You will get big amount of profit from far away place, because Jupiter Saturn conjunction is in your 12th house. In the month of Jan 2021, you may get opportunity to some new joint venture which is far away place from your land, and that joint venture will give you a lot of benefits. कोई आपके घर से दूर, आपके शहर, आपके देश से दूर आपकी पार्टनरशिप किसी के साथ हो सकती है, और जनवरी महीना उस चीज़ के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव है। अगर आपको कुछ ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है दोस्तों, तो जाने ना दें, इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को पकड़ लें, क्योंकि आने वाला 2 साल इसके सहारे आपका चलेगा। 4 प्लैनेट आपके 12th हाउस में हैं। पैसा खर्चते हुए सोचें, एक एक पेनी के लिए समय स्पेंड करते हुए सोचें। ट्राई टू सेव योर मनी। आई एम टेलिंग यू अगेन एंड अगेन, डोंट स्पेंड योर मनी ऑन वेस्टेज। जिस चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है उस पर पैसा ना खर्चें। एक्वेरियस, आपको बहुत बैलेंस होकर चलने की ज़रूरत है जैन 2021 में। हाँ, जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फ़ॉरेन से लिंक्ड हैं, फ़ॉरेन सेटल होना चाहते हो, फ़ॉरेन वर्क परमिट चाहते हो, या फ़ॉरेन बिजनेस करना चाहते हो, यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स। यू विल ईजिली सेटल देयर। एक्वेरियस, put your 100% efforts at your workplace, then you will get 30-40% benefits. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance if you are in job. You need to perform your best. You need to put your 100% effort. Then you will get 30% results. Just believe on yourself. Just believe on yourself. Do your good karma. Try to help needy people on every Saturday. Try to go for the medical charity on every Saturday. This whole year 2021. Especially in the month of Jan 2021, you will feel much relax and comfort, and must read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before sleep, 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, 11 times. More you read this Chalisa, more you feel much relaxed and positive mind. I'm looking forward your great success in 2021, and I'm praying for your happy future and the long age of your elders at your home. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Jai Hind.